Hey there, fantastic viewers! We're thrilled to have you join us here at Studio 3, your go-to destination for architecture and interior designing trending videos. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest from Studio 3. Join our growing community. Don't forget to connect with us in the comments, we love hearing from you. What topics or content are you excited to see on Studio 3? Let us know, and let's make this space as awesome as it can be. Thanks for stopping by, and let the Studio 3 adventure begin.
Motorcycle Showroom Design, Crafting Experiences in 2024. Chapter 1, Introduction. 1.1 The Evolution of Motorcycle Showrooms. Explore the historical journey of motorcycle showrooms, from humble beginnings to the contemporary spaces designed to immerse customers in a brand experience. Analyze the role of design in shaping customer perceptions and fostering a sense of community. 1.2 Importance of Showroom Design. Understand the pivotal role showroom design plays in the motorcycle industry. From showcasing products to creating a brand narrative, delve into how design contributes to customer engagement, brand loyalty, and overall business success. Chapter 2, Trends Shaping Motorcycle Showroom Design. 2.1 Integration of Technology. In 2024, technology is revolutionizing showroom design. Explore how augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and interactive displays are reshaping the way motorcycles are presented and experienced within the showroom setting. 2.2 Sustainability and Eco-Friendly Practices. Analyze the growing trend of sustainability in showroom design. From energy-efficient lighting to eco-friendly materials, discover how motorcycle showrooms are aligning with environmental values and communicating a commitment to sustainability. 2.3 Brand Immersion and Storytelling. Immerse customers in brand narratives by embracing storytelling in showroom design. Explore how motorcycle showrooms are evolving into curated spaces that tell a story about the brand's heritage, values, and the lifestyle associated with their motorcycles. 2.4 Customer-centric layouts. Examine the shift towards customer-centric layouts that prioritize comfort, accessibility, and a seamless journey through the showroom. Learn how well-designed spaces enhance the customer experience, encouraging exploration and interaction. 2.5 Flexibility and adaptability. In a rapidly changing market, flexibility in design is key. Explore how motorcycle showrooms are embracing adaptable layouts, modular displays, and versatile spaces to accommodate new products, events, and customer preferences. Chapter 3, Practical Considerations in Motorcycle Showroom Design. 3.1 Location and Accessibility. Discuss the strategic considerations for choosing a showroom location and ensuring accessibility. Analyze how factors like foot traffic, parking facilities, and proximity to popular routes impact the success of a motorcycle showroom. 3.2 Zoning and Product Placement. Explore the importance of zoning within the showroom. Understand how effective product placement, grouping motorcycles by type or theme, and creating designated areas for accessories contribute to a visually cohesive space. 3.3 Lighting and Atmosphere. Delve into the role of lighting in setting the showroom atmosphere. Understand how a well-lit space enhances the visibility of motorcycles, creates a dynamic ambience, and influences customer emotions and perceptions. ###3.4 Interactive Customer Engagement. Examine strategies for fostering interactive customer engagement within the showroom. From interactive displays to test ride simulations, learn how motorcycle showrooms are creating hands-on experiences that build excitement and trust. 3.5 Service and Maintenance Spaces. Incorporate service and maintenance spaces seamlessly into the showroom design. Explore how showcasing the workshop, maintenance bays, and service areas can enhance transparency, showcasing the commitment to customer support. Chapter 4, Innovative Motorcycle Showroom Design Ideas. 4.1 Motorcycle Display Walls. Explore the concept of dynamic display walls that showcase motorcycles as works of art. Discover how rotating displays, interactive screens, and integrated lighting enhance the visual appeal and create focal points within the showroom. 4.2 Virtual Showroom Experiences. Delve into the implementation of virtual showroom experiences. Understand how virtual reality tours and online configurators complement physical showrooms, allowing customers to explore the entire product range from the comfort of their homes. 4.3 Lounge and community spaces. Analyze the incorporation of lounge and community spaces within motorcycle showrooms.